Now I invite Ms. Meena Swarup, former Director HR, EIL, to present a memento as a token of our love and affection to Dr. Pankaj Mitra. I request our past presidents are the pillars of DMA. On this occasion, DMA would like to facilitate the DMA past president for their meritorious contribution. I request the president to present a memento to the past presidents. I would also like to invite other dignitaries to kindly join this.
Sir,
I would like to invite.
would like to say something?
Sir, would you like to say something?
Yes, yes.
Well, I would like to thank DMA for thinking of the past presidents who
That's very difficult.
have endeavored to take DMA to these heights and on this very auspicious occasion of 60 years. My heartiest congratulations to those. My heartiest congratulations to those who are now carrying the burden of taking it forward to, I hope, a century, not too soon. And lastly, once again, my thanks for inviting me here and giving me this memento and to meet and hear the wisdom of so many collective of all the dignitaries today. Thank you.
Now I invite Mr. Krishna Kalra. He served DMA as a president from 1989 to 90.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Sir, can you say a few words?
All I can say is it was a pleasure being associated with the DMA, and it's an honor today, for which I'm very grateful. It's a great institution, and I've enjoyed keeping in touch with it. Thank you very much.
Lieutenant General J.S. Ahluwalia. He served from 1995 to 1996.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Look here. Thank you.
I invite Mr. K.K. Muthu. He has served from 1996 to 97.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, look at camera.
Now I invite Mrs. Meena Malhotra. She is the only lady past president of DMA. She was president from 1998 to 99.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Rakesh Sharma. He served from 2003 to 2004 as a president.
Thank you. Sharma sir, please
Now I
say because we have no
request
photograph.
Mr. S. Varadarajan. He was the president of Delhi Management Association from 2009 to 2011.
Excuse me, sir.
I would like to invite Mr. Sukanta Day. He was the president from 2011 to 2012.
Sir, look here. Sir.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Nalim Singhal. He was president from 2012 to 2013. I request all the past presidents to kindly come forward for a group photograph.
Please come, sir. Yes, sir. Look at the camera, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, ready. Yes, wait, sir. One more, sir. Smiling. Smile, sir. Smile. Thank you, sir. Sir, look here. Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, look here.
Thank you.
This is a new practice we have started. Changes are there in the association, but we have started.
Yes, sir. Sir, look here. Ma'am, look here. Thank you.
Mr. Rajan Pandey, Director DMA, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
This vote of thanks. You have to bear me only for 2 minutes. It is indeed a great pleasure and honor for me to thank legacy of eminent professionals. DMA has covered a long way since a group of visionaries formed this association of professionals. If we look back what DMA was and what it is today, it gives us a great sense of satisfaction. All this has been made possible with the support of industry leaders and professionals who have the passion and dedication to make DMA one of the leading management associations in the country. Our sincere thanks to Mr. R.C. Bhargava and Dr. Pankaj Mittal for joining us this evening in spite of their position. Do please join once again a big round of applause. May I take this opportunity to convey my sincere, heartfelt thanks to all the past presidents, managing committee members, Apex body IMA, and all those who have contributed for the success of this journey. A special thanks to Dr. Rupkumar Mittal for me and for my team. It's a good opportunity for me to work under his leadership and guidance. Thank you, Dr. Mittal. Thanks to my team in DMA, we are small in number, but the result is in front of you. I think a big round of applause for the Last but not the least, my sincere and hearty thanks to all of you for joining us. The presence of such a large gathering is a source of inspiration and motivation for us. A big round of applause for all the members of our team. Two good news I want to share with you. DMA is doing a number of activities. Every month, 2 to 3 activities free for the members. I think you'll keep on getting the mails from the DMA. That's one. Secondly, DMA is organizing its Diamond Jubilee convention in the month of February under the leadership of Dr. Anup Mittal. Thanks a lot. Today we are very fortunate to have 3 eminent personalities with us who have worked with this organization for a quite long time. I request all of you to please join your hands and give a big round of applause. Mr. Jagdish Ahuja, Executive Director DMA, and one of my mentor also, Mr. S. Sudarshan Kumar, and thanks once again for your presence. Miss Meena Mehta, she is there? Yes, she is there. She take care of the finances of the organization, and I am sure that now the finances of this organization is in a safe hands. Before to present a small memento to our good host MC, Dr. Ekta Saxena, and request you to please join again a big round of applause for her.
May I take the liberty to summarize the proceedings of what our distinguished speaker has said with the spellings of management. Man a gem. Management की spelling से man a gem. He can become gem. ENT, if there is enlightenment, if there will come enlightenment, and N means nature divine, then transformation will come. So this is the
Excuse me.
Before I conclude, stay in touch with DMA for many more eventful events. Thanks a lot. Over to you.
Thank you, Raju, for your warm vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we conclude the 60th Diamond Jubilee Foundation Day celebration of Delhi Management Association. May I invite you all to kindly join us for dinner. Good night. Thank you so much.